How to delete a message on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your messages on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. So once you are in a conversation, all you need to do is to delete your message is keep clicking on the message and you're gonna find two options, which is copy and the second, which is delete. And like you see, the message has deleted. You can delete any message you want. So this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like. See you next time.